Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, all you need to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down at the same time for about a second like this. And that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Volume down, power key, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.